Hello my people, welcome to Serita Sunshine YouTube channel. As you know guys, I'm at home and today I'm going with you around. I'll show you the type of fruits we have at home. We have ripe bananas, in which I'm going to carry some to Nairobi. Come with me guys. Okay guys, I have this one, this kitamba on my head. That's how I normally stay at home. As you can see here, we have a lot of trees. Then it's dry at home. This is a dry season. There's a lot of dust, so I put this on my head to protect my hair so that it will be clean and good until I go back to Nairobi. Come with me guys, let's see the fruits with you. Guys, I'm going with you to the farm. Let me close this door. I'm going with you to the farm. As you can see, our home is full of trees. A lot of trees are here. Let me go with you. You'll see the ripe bananas that I'm going to bring you. This is our small gate. Mom always put it this way to avoid the chicken from going to the farm. I have to close it back. Guys, this is our farm. You can see how it is. We have bananas, sugarcane. There is a banana here that Mom took for me. She said I'll carry this to Nairobi. In fact, it was cut yesterday. Yeah. Then we have some pepper, pili pepper. Yeah, it's here. It's a dry season guys, so don't worry, don't mind the dust. Then we have mira here. For the mira people, talk to me nicely, then I'll bring you some mira. This one, you can see how the mira looks like. Yeah, we have some more pepper here. You can see they're here. It's my mom's garden. You can see that pepper, pili. Yeah, hope you can see it. Then we have these rosemaries. Yeah, I'll bring some to Nairobi. I like tea with rosemary. Yeah, you can see how nice it is. Then we have some more pepper here. Let me go this side. You can see how our pili. There are so many. Mom has so many pili. So guys, if you want pili, let me know on the comment section. Then I'll bring you some. Yeah, that's how it is. Then we have some more miras here. The sun, I don't think the lighting is poor on that side. We have sugarcane. This is my mom's garden behind the house. Yeah, we have some bananas. They are there. You see a lot of bananas here. Then I have some. Yeah, there is one banana that is ripe here. It's ripening up. You can see here the bananas ripen well on the tree. Probably I'll cut this one also. So my friends in Nairobi, I'm coming with plenty of bananas. Are they sweet bananas or plantains? Comment down below and tell me how they are called. Are they plantains or sweet bananas? Let me try on another angle to show you clear. Yeah, I think this. Guys, as you know, it's early in the morning. So this video, I hope it will be nice. You can see they are getting ripe there. Yeah, I'll bring you this guys. Yeah, let me show you some more fruits. Sugarcane here kwa wingi. Yeah, bananas. Yeah. This is my mom's garden, just behind the house. Yeah, we have more bananas there. Let me zoom. Sweet bananas or plantains, that's how they are called. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know. Yeah, you can hear the birds singing. This is behind our house. Yeah, we have fruits here. These are passion fruits. You can see it. It's there. There are plenty of them here. Let me try to find you some. There are so many, and sugarcane all over. You can see sugarcane all over. Here the bananas. Not bananas, passion fruits. I hope I don't get the chameleon. You know, I don't like chameleon. If I see chameleon close to me, that will be the end of this video. I don't like chameleons at all. You can see we have more fruits. I'll bring you some, guys. Yeah, you can see there is one ripe fruit there. There are so many, in fact, not one. There are so many. Yeah, they are here. Let me show you. Here they are. We have ripe fruits here. You know, in Nairobi, they normally sell, I think, 4 fruits at 20 shillings, or one at 10. I'm not sure, but here we have so many. This one is ripe. This one is also ripe, almost. So I'll take. We have more fruits here. I hope I don't get chameleon around. Yeah, those are our fruits. You can see they're there. There are so many fruits. I hope the writing is nice. You can see. Yeah, we have many fruits here. Let me show you everything. Then bananas. Not bananas, sugarcane. We have plenty of sugarcane. Yeah, fruits kwa wingi. Passion fruits. So many fruits here with me. Guys, I'm afraid of the chameleon. I don't want to get one. Don't want to see one either. Early morning. Let's see, we have fruits here. Then avocados here. That's avocado tree, but no avocados. It's a dry season here. All these are our trees. Mom's trees. This is our farm. Behind the house, you can see sugarcane. There are plenty here. Those are sugarcanes. Yeah, sugarcanes. And Mera, of course. This is Meru County, Timau. Here it's not a Mera place, but at least Mom, not Mom, I think it was my brother who planted these few Meras here. In our family, no one chews Mera, but we have them. If you want Mera, you can pass by my mom's home and she will give you some. See? That's how Mera looks like. Yeah. That's Mera. But don't ask me what type because I don't know. Let me try to zoom this one so you'll see it very clearly. See? That's a Mera. Let's go down. This is our small garden. You can see Mom has put some manure on the farm. And we have trees there. That's our small forest. That's where Mom gets some firewood from there. That's our small forest. Yeah. Guys, and that is Mount Kenya. You can see let me try to zoom it. That's my Mount Kenya. It's here. Yeah, let me zoom it. Yeah, you can see the Mount Kenya between those avocado trees. That's the mountain right there. You can see it, it's nice. Yeah, here you are, you can see. That's the mountain. Here, we normally see the mountain right from our home. Let me show you more fruits here. I think you can see all those ripe fruits. They're there. Can you see them, guys? We have more ripe fruits here. This one is ripe. These ones are ripe here. Yeah. You can see they are all ripe. I'm going to harvest them tomorrow. You see? I'm going to pick some, then I'll bring you some. We have plenty of fruits. I hope you can see them. They're there. Yeah, we have plenty of fruits here. Here they are. Yeah. We have many fruits. Let me show you clearly. Some of them are on top there. The sunlight is so strong. I think, but yeah, but you can see them now. There are more fruits there. Up. You see, some of them are far away, so it's not easy to see them. Let's go back, guys. Yeah, from this angle you can see all those sugar canes. We have a lot of sugar cane at home, so when I come here, I'm a sugar girl. I eat a lot of sugar cane. Yeah, and our trees there. I think you can see how you can hear the birds singing. Let's go back home. And you can hear the birds. And our kienyeji chicken, they are always here eating under the fruits. They are there. You can see how they are doing. We have some there. Where is it? They're there. You can see how they eat. Then we also have this fruit. Normally they grow around the fence. Don't know how they are called, but I've seen nowadays in Nairobi they are sold. Kindly comment down below and tell me the name of this fruit. This one here. This one. Can you see my finger? This one. This. Yeah. Let me go with you guys. Let's go back. More fruits here. This one are not ripe, but this one is almost ripe. Yeah, we have many fruits here. A lot of fruits. Yeah. All of our fruits are plenty here. Yeah. Unfortunately, I did not see chameleon, but when I see it, I'll show you from far. I'm not so friendly with the chameleons. You see how many fruits we have? Then there's a cooking banana here. I think you can see it. This one I'll carry it. This is a cooking banana. I hope guys you can see it. There in the bushes. Can you see it? Yeah, that here, that. These are the fruits I was talking about. Let me try to show you. Though I don't like the fence so much because of the chameleons. These ones, they always grow in the fence. This one. This. What's the name of this fruit, guys? Comment down below and tell me the name of that fruit. There are so many here also. If you want, I'll bring you some. Okay, thank you guys. You can see they are ripe. This one is ripe. I'm going to eat it. See, oh, this one is eaten. Okay guys, you have seen our small garden here. I hope you enjoyed. That's the avocado tree. My friends know the avocado I normally carry sometimes. They are from that tree. Thank you guys for watching. Then there is this guy here. This guy here is always happy to see me. Hi. Hi. Hi, Dami. Hi. Hi. Come. No. Chini. Lala, chini. Lala, chini. Good. Goodbye. Oh, that's our small guy there. My mom's friend, also my friend. Yeah. Okay, guys. Kienyeji chicken. This one I'll eat tomorrow. I will eat that. One of those. Yeah. We have kienyeji chickens. Mama has a lot of chicken here, so I'll eat this one. This is the one I'm going to eat. You guys. Oh. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Kindly subscribe, like, share, put on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll get notified. Thank you, guys. See you.